welcome back to my channel. My good name is Mercy, and for the love I have for the people that eat Mercy's love. So guys, I have missed you. Thank you for the returning subscriber. Thank you for everyone who have subscribed to my channel and supported me. Guys, if you're going to watch this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to fike 1000 subscribers and we grow together, sindio? Unione nikigrow kutoka chini tukipanda juu, sindio? I know we are going to fika the 1000 subscribers na tupite na tuwende na tukiendanga, sindio? So wadau, support me. Ebu subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, and for those who have asanteni sana, and watch this video and don't forget to like it and share with your friends. So today I've missed you guys and I've decided so today I can prepare lunch with you guys. Since I'm preparing something easy and simple for lunch, I'm going to prepare spaghetti over here. So it's an easy one, so I can prepare with you, because you can just see how I prepare it. You can try at home. If you love it, maybe you come back and comment, because me, I love it and I know I'm preparing something nice. It's good if you don't feel like cooking something hectic. You can just prepare indomie, easy for your kids, and that's it. So guys, let's start preparing our window. Let me show you my way. Love you. So guys, we have our water here. So what we are going to do, we are just going to put in salt, taste, a lot of salt, so that because we are going to wash, so that when we wash, our spaghetti will not taste like. And then we put oil. No. Just put our spaghetti. You're going to slice them 3 times. Yeah. We are going to cook all of it, all the pack. The full pack. I'm going to prepare, because I'm cooking lunch, supper. I'll just prepare beans and we'll eat the beans. I'm not cooking again. I'm cooking lunch stroke supper. Just lunch, we are going to eat like that, and then we are going to cover it, leaving a space so that when it's boiling, it will not come out. Then we add a little. So, and then we are going to prepare our tomatoes and onion. So now we are going to use onion and 2 tomatoes. Tuko na tomato, nyanya. So we're just going to prepare this. I don't know how you guys see. As our spaghetti is boiling, we're just going to prepare this, because we are going to parang. Anyway guys, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, support this channel. Let's grow together. Sindio madam. You don't know. Hey, you guys, you know what? Maybe guys support me. Let us grow. Let us grow so that you'll see more videos coming, more videos coming. You give me the psych, the motivation of doing videos for you guys. No, no. And you also like, and also if you find the video interesting, also comment down below. We have a lot of people I can prank. So I have so many ideas, but it's just this time because just give me the psych, give me the motivation, because you know it's good when you see you're doing a video and you're growing, you feel nice and you feel motivated because more people are coming to see your video, so you feel motivated. Just motivate me. If you have not liked, if you have not subscribe to this, just subscribe. You pay nothing, not a cent. Eh? You just subscribe and like and move on with your life. Move on with your life. When I upload a video, you'll be seeing it, I'll be loving it. Yeah? So see guys, so able support me, support a young lady, upcoming young lady called Mercy. I want to go, by the way. Can't wait. You know, guys, I know you have been asking, oh, maybe you think I'm not serious, but I'm very serious with this channel. I'm very, very serious with this channel. Very, very serious. It's just that the phone I have is not doing justice to my videos. The phone I have is not doing justice to my videos because some people, the content creator out here, they are using iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, iPhone Samsung, what's other phone? The good phones with good cameras. And like me, I'm just using Neon Ray for Safaricom, and it's not doing justice to my video. That's why sometimes I get bored, because sometimes we shoot and then it doesn't have storage. No, so it's a struggle, by the way. If you're watching this and you're not subscribing, you're not doing well. Able subscribe, we grow so that you can be using quality cameras, we can buy good phones. We can, so that you can, when you see the video, you see the quality of the video, not just some, I don't know, this phone. By the way, you may pick up, you can be talking. It's just that I don't have an option. I don't. With this economy, it's been hard to save for a phone. It's hard to save for a phone. And people out here are showing off their money in the bank. And I have nothing. I even don't have the account. Able support me, I grow. Support me, able I pray. Now we are done. I'm done preparing. Okay, we have ginger, we have onion, we have tomato, we have carrot, and now we are waiting for our spaghetti to be ready so that we can now karanga. So our spaghetti is ready. What we're going to do, I'm going to add in cold water so that I can wash, because it's very hot. The reason we wash, so that hitokane ikuwe moja moja, isikue. And then I'm just going to use my microwave over here, because to stir it, because hey, I can't use my hand because it's very, very hot. You see now, CD 111. I've already washed, and I have removed all the water, so I'm going to transfer this spaghetti from the sufuria to this plate, because I'm going to use this sufuria to fry. There we go. So I'm going just to rinse this sufuria because I'm using it right now. So we are going to put in oil to cook first. a lot of oil. Down. You can see. There we go. We are waiting for our here we go. You are waiting for our oil to heat, not to boil. And then, sorry for that, I'm going to add in our onion. Together with our ginger, so they can cook together. Yep. Now we're going to wait for our onions to cook. Now our onion is ready, as you can see. I don't like it when it's brown that much, so I'm just going to add in our carrot and tomato. We are going to add in salt. Not too much salt, because our spaghetti already has salt. Just going to. I can see our tomatoes are ready, so we are going to add in our spaghetti. I don't know, I'm going to put in. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, just leave it like that, so that, and they're already started. Even this camera is not doing justice. I wish we'd see this. The best thing you can do, so that you can see how yummy this looks, prepare it at home. You have all the recipe, and do it so that you can taste it. For now, kula kwa macho. This camera is not even doing justice. It's not doing justice. It looks so yummy.